My scarf, it don't move. My scarf, it don't move. Hello my beauts, welcome or welcome back to my channel. A very tired Mary coming to you today. I do have a tutorial on how I do this headscarf because I have been asked quite a few times, so I figured I'd finally get this video out for you. Do bear with me as I do not use a mirror in this video. I'm just using my viewfinder, but if you want to know how I obtained this masterpiece, then please continue to watch. Taking my material, this one is straight from Nigeria, thanks to my friend Sarah. It is 111 centimeters in width and 185 centimeters in length. I fold it in half because it is way too big for what I want to do. So I fold it in half to make it easier for me to use. And then I'm going to place it on my head and tie it at the back. What you want to make sure you do, as much as possible anyway, is to make sure that both sides are the same length by the time you finish tying it. This is just so that you have the same amount of material on the left and the right when it comes to wrapping it around your head. Now that I'm facing you, you'll see that I have two pieces of material on either side of my head, and what I'm going to do is work with one piece at a time. And I smooth the first piece, and all I do is I cross it over my forehead, and I want to make sure that I create like a crisscross shape at the front. That's why I cross it over my forehead. Then I bring it to the opposite side, and the material that's excess I then tuck underneath the scarf itself. Once I tied the headscarf at the back, there was a pocket that was created, so that's where I'm tucking the excess material. I then take the other half. Again, I flatten this out a little bit and I cross it over to the opposite side, making sure I go over my forehead again. And as you can see, it's created this kind of crisscross shape at the front of my forehead. Once I'm happy with the crisscross at the front, I gather the rest of the material, and again I just bring it round to the opposite side. I mean, I'm trying to roll it here, but really and truly I know I'm not going to get the shape I want until after I have tucked the excess material into the back or the side of my scarf. Now each side is nicely tucked away, I'm left with a very misshapen turban. What I'm going to do is, using my fingers, I'm going to create the kind of shape I want. And this is a matter of pulling the material at the front down, the one at the back down, and rolling and tucking. Just using my fingers to manipulate until I get the kind of style I want. Some I roll under, some I roll over, but you guys will get the gist as you continue to watch. I found that depending on the hairstyle I have underneath the scarf will sit really high or might sit lower, and my braids were just making this sit very high. But as you can see, my fingers are doing all the work to create the shape at the front, and I wasn't mad at this considering I wasn't using the mirror. I managed to deliver. I will say I've mastered this now, guys, but it did take me a few trial and errors. So the key to execution is to use a big scarf, and also in how you manipulate using your fingers. So that is it, the cat is out of the bag. If you do recreate, please make sure you tag me on Instagram, and if you do like this video, please make sure to hit that like button and share so that it can go around this YouTube universe. But until next time, thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.